It's 7:53 and a half. I'm going to do this for 8 o'clock. I'm going to go to timer shooting. I'm just going to scroll till I see it. I haven't done this in a while. Timer shooting. Just turn it on. You have here is a mode for video. Time. We want to go to 8 o'clock. Want to go for PM. Click OK. Everything's all set. I X out. 8 o'clock. I shut it off. The camera turns on a little earlier than 8 o'clock, and it'll give a countdown, 3, 2, 1, and take your video. This is right on schedule, just about. So for some reason, if you're having issues, I'm not sure what it is, but DJI is really not on time. They're off right here in 10 seconds or so. And how we can correct that would be, let's stop our video because we can interrupt this.